Are you looking for the best gas pressure washers? In this video we will look at some of the best gas pressure washers on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Westinghouse WPX3200. The Westinghouse WPX3200 is a robust and efficient pressure washer designed to tackle tough cleaning tasks with ease. With a powerful 3200 psi and 2.5 GPM, it delivers deep cleaning water pressure, making it ideal for various surfaces such as decks, sidewalks, siding, fences, railings, garage floors, exterior walls, cars, and patio furniture. Equipped with a half-gallon onboard soap tank and a 25-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose, this pressure washer offers versatility in cleaning applications. The lightweight spray gun and 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap, provide flexibility for different cleaning needs. Number 2. WEN Gas Pressure Washer. WEN's Gas Pressure Washer is a robust and reliable cleaning powerhouse designed to tackle tough tasks with ease. Its 212cc 4-stroke OHV carb-compliant engine delivers an impressive performance, pumping up to 2.7 gallons per minute at 3,400 psi. The inclusion of 5 quick connect nozzles, ranging from 0 degree to 40 degree, along with a soap nozzle, provides versatile options for various cleaning needs. Equipped with an axial cam pump, this pressure washer not only ensures a consistent spray but also extends the unit's lifespan. The 10-inch wheels contribute to its portability, making it effortless to transport and store between uses. The package comes complete with a 30-foot reinforced hose, a 0.9-gallon fuel tank for prolonged operation, an onboard soap tank for added convenience, and a quick connect spray gun for efficient handling. Number 3. SIMPSON Cleaning MSH3125. The SIMPSON Cleaning MSH3125 is a premium residential power washer designed for high-performance cleaning tasks. With its Honda GC190 premium residential engine, this mega-shot power washer is easy to assemble and start, making it ideal for cleaning decks, patios, outdoor furniture, house siding, and preparing home exteriors for painting. In terms of power and durability, the MSH3125 features a powerful and reliable OEM Technologies axial cam pump that delivers 3,200 psi at 2.5 GPM. The pump includes thermal relief to prevent overheating, ensuring consistent performance. The welded steel frame construction with a powder-coated finish adds to its durability, making it a long-lasting and low-maintenance choice. Number 4. BILT Hard Gas Pressure Washer. The BILT Hard Gas Pressure Washer is a robust and versatile cleaning tool designed for various applications. Powered by a powerful 170cc 4-stroke OHV vertical cylinder gas engine, it boasts a maximum torque of 6.64 feet-to-pounds, 3,600 RPM. 4.4 maximum horsepower, and is equipped with a 0.2-gallon fuel tank. The engine runs on recommended C15 watts -40 oil. This multi-purpose pressure washer comes with 5 quick-change color-coded nozzle tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, soap, allowing users to switch between high-impact water beams and soft scattering for different cleaning needs. It is portable and suitable for cleaning various surfaces such as metal, walls, pavement, wood decks, glass, and cars. Number 5. Duromax XP2700PWS. The Duromax XP2700PWS is a robust pressure washer designed to tackle various cleaning tasks with efficiency and convenience. Its power source is the formidable Duromax 180cc engine, featuring low oil shutdown for engine protection. Installing the hose is a breeze thanks to quick change connectors, and the spray gun incorporates a safety switch that must be disengaged for operation. ensuring users' safety. The strategic placement of the engine and pump enhances mobility across uneven terrain, making it versatile for different cleaning scenarios. With a rear hose connection, the pressure washer facilitates easy hose connections for maximum convenience during use. The package includes 5 quick connect nozzles, offering a range of spray options, including 0, 25, and 40-degree angles, along with a soap applicator.